Hi and welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. The playlist is Wisdom Nugget from Plant Food for Longevity series, where we are discovering the health benefits from plants and nature through herbal teas and other natural remedies. Today's nugget is watercress. Watercress are leafy green vegetables that you can use in your salad or you can also use in making tea. Let's go through the benefits and side effects, and then I would make a cup of tea from watercress. The top health benefit of watercress is that it's nutrient dense powerhouse, extremely low in calories but high in vitamin K, which is useful for our bone and blood clotting. Is also full of vitamin C, which boosts our immunity and is good for our skin health. Is full of vitamin A, which is good for our eye and immunity support. Also, it has calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. So watercress rank as #1 on the CDC powerhouse fruit and vegetable listed on nutrient density. So it's packed with nutrients. So the second benefit, I've mentioned that because it has a lot of vitamin K, it supports the bone health. So just 1 cup provides about 100% of your daily vitamin K, critical for bone strength and calcium metabolism. So 1 cup of juice, you can make this into a juice as well, will give you your daily intake of vitamin K, which is the best way that you can introduce natural remedy for well-being for healthy bones. Also is known to contain glucosinate and acetylcyconate, which may neutralize carcinogens and inhibit cancer cells growth, especially breast cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer. So I think all of us should be thinking of buying watercress next time we see it in a supermarket. Also, it improves heart health. Nitrates in watercress may help reduce blood pressure, support blood vessel flexibility, and improve circulation. Then it boosts immunity, is high in vitamin C content, therefore it promotes the production of white blood cells and strengthens immunity. It also aids digestion and hydration because it's high in water content, and gentle fiber supports digestion and keep the gut hydrated. Finally, it supports skin and eye health. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin help protect the skin and eye tissues from oxidative damage. So this watercress is one of the top vegetable or salad that you can buy and introduce into your diet. I was one for it before, and I think I chefed it because I didn't know the importance of it. But now that I'm embarking on this journey of naturopathy medicine, learning the good diet that we can incorporate into our nutrition to give us good health, I'm beginning to realize that it's now time to embark on this journey, and I hope you do the same as well. So what are the potential side effects of watercress? Watercress is high in oxalates. It may not be suitable for people who are prone to kidney stones. So similar to almond nut, if you are one that had kidney stones or prone to it, then this is not for you. Like almond nut is also not for you. It's also not good for blood thinning. So due to its high vitamin K, check with your doctor if you are on anticoagulants like warfarin. Also, possible bitterness. Strong flavor may not suit everyone. Mild when mixed with other grains, so you can add it to your salad so you can at least enjoy the nutrients from it. Then thyroid caution. If eaten raw, like other cruciferous vegetables, raw watercress may interfere with thyroid function in large amounts. So if you have issues with thyroid, then you can't consume watercress in large quantities. So how do we use this wonderful herb? The first way is to eat it raw. In salad, you can chop it up. I've got some already washed. See how they come. And also blend them into green smoothie. Like you can add in things like apple, cucumber. You can saute lightly with garlic and olive. That you can add to your fried egg as well. So if you are doing omelets, you can add watercress to it. If you are doing soup, you can add watercress to your soup. You can add it to your stir fry as well. We're going to be making a tea, so that's another way to have watercress. So for the smoothie, the recipe is 1 handful, like a bunch of about 3 strands like that. into your blender, 1 green apple or half apple, half cucumber, and then half lemon, and then water or coconut water. Blend into a juice, blend and enjoy. So that's how to make it into a smoothie, and you can extract it as well. Just blend it and get the juice out for the nutrients to enjoy the nutrients from watercress. So to summarize, watercress is one of the most nutrient-rich greens on the planet, packed with vitamin A, C, K, and antioxidant that supports immune system, heart, bone, and skin. So just watch out if you have kidney stones or you are on blood thinning medication. So those two groups of people, it's not advisable to embark on this. If you want to, then talk to your practitioner, because these YouTube videos that I'm doing, I'm not yet a practitioner. I'm a student of College of Naturopathy, so I'm just embarking on it. I'm just embarking on a 4-year course. I'm a manufacturer of snacks, and I'm trying to introduce natural food like herbal teas into the company as well. So this is just my way of reaching out to people who want to embark on this journey, so we can at least grow up together in the journey of herbal life. So now let's make our tea. So I've got my mug and the strands. You can use the stem as well. So I'm going to use 2 bunch. I've got my tea pot with infuser, so I'm just gonna push it in and add in hot water. It would have been better if I chopped it up, but it's okay. I'm going to use my teaspoon to mash it and crush it to help it infuse faster. The hot water had already softened it, so I'm going just to help it out a little bit for the purpose of the video, since we don't have all the time to infuse it faster. I'm just going to use this teaspoon to squash it, to crush it more so the nutrients can come out faster. You can see the color is already changing. It's creamy yellow. It's very fast in brewing. So we leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And you can see the leaves for your salad. Just use a knife, chop it up. You can use it for sandwiches as well. Maybe egg sandwich or whatever sandwich you love. You can add avocado and all other vegetables that you love. You can also snack on it. The taste is very powerful, so you can add it to your salad, because the taste is quite, it's strong. It's like I can't explain how it is. It reminds me of one vegetable that we have in Nigeria, something called, the Yoruba was bure. It's like watercress as well, but it's a water vegetable, but that has a finish that is nicer in the mouth. This one is like spicy kind of flavor. It shocks your palate if you're having it alone, so it's best to throw it into other food, like other vegetable, other leaves that are nice and more palatable in the mouth. So let's taste the tea. It's not quite 5 minutes, but for the purpose of the video. Yeah, it's blank. There's no taste to it. It's not too powerful. It's like just normal tea, not bitter, not sweet. So it's not something that is difficult to drink like some other herbal teas can be. So that's it on this episode on watercress, food for longevity, wisdom nuggets from plants. And if you're enjoying this series on plants, please subscribe, share with friends and family, at least like the video to encourage me. Drop a comment, tell me about your journey on herbal remedies and herbal life. If you're just starting out or if you've been there for years, let me share your experience. Share your experience with us and let us also benefit from each other. So I hope to see you again in the next episode. Until then, keep on keeping healthy. Goodbye.